Special, myself, 18 and 27 in the Widgerville area, 71 in Dayton Road.
10-4, 71 Dayton Road, break.
4 Smith, she's got a gun in hand.
10-4, Greenwood 9, driver.
Shit. Vehicle's 10-7. Get it! Shit. 4 Smith, she just ran my vehicle. It's 10-7. She does have a gun in hand. Just continue on Dayton Road towards 71. I'm 10-7.
10-4, Sebastian 25, vehicle 10-7, Dayton Road 71. She does have a gun in her hand.
Sebastian 12 Horseman, we are going to block traffic off at 71 on Dayton Road.
10-4.
Fort Smith 35 are en route to the area from Fort Smith.
10-4.
Sebastian 10 seconds.
10-4.
25 to 12. It is going to be a female driver, white. Looks to be in her early to mid 20s. She does have a white black firearm in her hand.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good.
He just tried to ram me. He's 71.
I mean, look, I really didn't intend on all this distraction. I'm just going through a lot of crap. That they didn't expect me, huh?